Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're tackling a common issue that many WordPress users face. Emails not being sent from your website, whether it's contact forms, notifications, or password resets. We'll walk through some steps to get your emails working again. Let's dive in. First things first, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes legitimate emails end up there. If you find your emails, mark them as not spam to help future messages land in the inbox. Next, make sure your WordPress installation and all your plugins are up to date. Outdated software can cause issues with email functionality. If you're still having trouble, consider using an SMTP plugin. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and it helps improve email deliverability. Let's install the WP Mail SMTP plugin. Go to Plugins, then add New and search for WP Mail SMTP. Install and activate it. Now let's configure the SMTP settings. You'll need details from your email provider, like SMTP host, port, and authentication credentials. For example, if you're using Gmail, enter smtp.gmail.com as the host and use port 587. Don't forget to enable SMTP authentication. After saving your settings, send a test email directly from the plugin. This will help confirm everything is set up correctly. If emails still aren't sending, check with your hosting provider. Some hosts have restrictions on email sending that may need to be lifted. For advanced users, consider enabling email logging through a plugin. This can help identify any errors that occur when trying to send emails. And there you have it. Those are the steps to troubleshoot and fix your WordPress email issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.